Hi, third graders. Mrs. Kerner here. I just wanted to give a really quick tutorial on how to add this Google Meets grid view. The grid view is just going to allow students to, during our morning meetings, see all of their classmates and myself right on their screen so that it's a big grid. So if there are 21 of us or 22 of us on the screen, there'll be 21 or 22 boxes up on the screen. I'm going to just send you the link in an email along with this video. And in that link, it's going to bring you right here to this page. So if you have Google or Chrome that you're using, it'll pop up and all you have to do is, I already have it added to mine. It'll say add to Chrome. So then once it adds to Chrome, up here, this small little grid, I suppose you could say, it's the 4 squares, will pop up. If you click on this before you join a Google Meets, this will pop up. I'm not sure why you have to do this. This will pop up if you just click out of it and then you go into a Google Meet. Let's open up a Meet of my own. I'm going to start or join. I'm going to start my own Google meeting, let's say right now. And then if I were to invite people, that would be fine. I would click on my squares. Okay, I'm good to go. I'm going to join. And then once I enter into my Google Meet, hi everyone, you are going to click right here. Once the slash is off, that means anybody joining will show up as little tiny boxes on the screen. If you don't want grid view, you can turn it off. That way it'll just show whoever's talking. Also, you can choose to include yourself or not. I always include myself and I keep it on grid view for my class. This just makes it easier so they can all see themselves and not just the person who's talking. If you have any other questions or you're not really sure, go ahead and send me an email or try this on your own. I'd be more than happy to do a Google Meet with you to help you figure out how to do it. Otherwise, that's all I have for you. Bye.